If you've been married to someone for a long time, you know that you can have these disagreements that sometimes span for years. For my wife and I, that disagreement was always about a pool. For as long as I can remember, my wife has wanted to put a pool in at our house, and I've always been the one who said no because I didn't think we had enough space, and frankly, I didn't even think it would fit in the backyard. I was pretty confident in this. In fact, so confident that last summer I called a pool company and had them send a guy out to take a look at our yard. And I gotta tell you, I was wrong. So it looks like we're getting a pool. As usual, my wife was right. And once I got over being wrong, I got excited. Now, we signed this contract last summer, and I just got a call from the project manager saying construction's gonna begin next week, which means I've got a lot to do to get my yard ready before these excavators start rolling in. This is gonna be a great project for DadBuilt and something I wanna bring you along for from beginning to end. Stay tuned. We've been at this house for a little over 3 years now, and I've done a lot of work to try and build my backyard into a space that my whole family could enjoy. You've seen me do a lot of projects out here, from installing edging and landscaping to getting the hot tub and building a privacy wall. But I have to be honest about something. It feels like no matter how much I've done, the space has never really come together the way that I wanted it to. So when we finally decided to get a pool, I saw it as a big opportunity. Not only to install something that my whole family's going to enjoy, but to start fresh around one central idea that's gonna be cohesive and bring everything together. That's what I'm most excited about. So let's take a look at the backyard as it is today. I wanna give you an idea of what's going to change and what needs to happen in order for us to get there. So welcome to my backyard. You will see it is pretty much one big patio with some landscape beds around the perimeter. And all of this is gonna change. All of this is going to either be torn out or rearranged in some way. The patio is gonna be gone. All of these mulch beds and landscaping are gonna go, and even some of the lawn is gonna get torn up to reshape this. But this is our patio. We started out with just this square here when they built the house. You've got the hot tub here. We've got these arborvitae trees that we planted a couple years ago. And then this is the other side yard. This is actually where the hot tub is gonna go, behind this third car garage here, because this pool project is literally changing the entire backyard. So the dimensions on this pool are 14 by 29 feet. And the pool is gonna start right where the concrete ends, and it's gonna run all the way down past the patio table to about right here. The deep end is gonna be down there. There's gonna be patio all around the pool, and that patio is gonna extend all the way up to the house and then all the way out into the yard, farther into the yard than the landscape beds currently go. The patio table is in the pool currently, and we gotta get it out. Right here is where we're going to add an outdoor kitchen, and this is something that I'm probably most excited about. So in order for this hot tub to stay, it needs to be drained, disconnected, temporarily moved, and then reinstalled in a permanent location. If you're into hot tubs, check out my channel. I've got plenty of content on there on how you can care for and maintain your hot tub so that you can enjoy it year round. This is all gonna be patio, and it's actually gonna extend out and wrap around the side of the house, creating a walkway here over to the side, and the hot tub is gonna go right behind this garage. So there's gonna be patio around here, sort of coming in and then curving in to connect there. So this is all gonna be patio through here. There's gonna be an equipment pad somewhere around this area that has pumps and other things for the pool. But unfortunately, a lot of this landscaping is gonna have to go. Like these emerald green arborvitae that I planted a couple years ago. I really like these. I looked into the process for transplanting them, but at the end of the day, I just don't have the space for them, and I worried that they wouldn't survive the transplant process. But there are some plants that I'm gonna be able to save, like these hostas over here. We're gonna do that in a little bit. After this week, this yard is never gonna look the same again, and I'm both really excited and a little bit nervous for that. My vision for this project is to create a cohesive and entertaining space that my family can enjoy for years to come. I think about grilling out or having people over or even just relaxing after a hard day's work. But it's thinking about those things that make me most excited. You know, this is a big project. It's like the Super Bowl for a DIY dad. But I know that if I do it right, it's all going to be worth the time, effort, and the money that we put into it. Thanks for watching. Check out my channel to follow this project and more great videos for DIY dads. I'll see you next time.